We back at it, y'all. To have a little bass tournament. See if we can catch the most bass within an hour. We got, of course, y'all already know, KJ, the bass assassin.
All day.
He think he gonna beat me today, but I got a trick for him today. I got something he don't have today because he can't even find it. And that's that boy right there that hanging on the rod right there. He don't got that boy right there. He can't find his pet. So hopefully I got a little advantage. We're finna see what we can do. I'm gonna hook everything back up once we get down to the spot. Off you go, buddy.
He said move out there too. Water.
Hold on. Damn, what the fuck is wrong with it? Okay. Y'all gotta be careful, boy. Y'all see this right here? Can y'all tell me what snake this is? You gotta be careful.
Big boy.
Yes, sir. That's what you get. Okay, KJ. See you.
First bass out on caught off these things in 4 years. So heavy before.
The things we do to try to get across the water. We're trying to get to that other side over here, but there's no way that we can cross the water, so trying to make a path for it. Y'all know what'd be funny? If this motherfucker fall, that shit would be hilarious. So he got water shoes on. He just abandoned me, y'all. He don't got no water shoes on.
I made you a Bream. What else you want?
Tell me he made me that. Do that shit look secure to y'all? Look like I'm gonna bust my ass if I go across that.
I'm heavier than you.
Boy, I tell you the truth. Wait, who need an enemy when you got friends like this?
And I'm gonna help you with the stuff. You coming or you gonna video?
Boy, catching crappies and everything out here. Bream, crappie. Boy, I ain't think there was no crappie out here this late.
Oh, he gonna get 8.
Over with.
Yeah, over with. See, the one sticking in the head down by that tree.
Yeah. That's it. Y'all see this shit right here? Like, this the stuff that we see when we go fishing, y'all. This the stuff that we see. How this bird got like this. Camera focus, I don't know. I have no idea. need a bag without this.
You're right. Goddamn Bream just.
I already knew it. And look, and then I just found a word.
He's doing good, boy. You mean motherfucker.
That's
That's me joke with that boy. Joke